Okay, guys, so we should be on the geometry project. We are going to be combining skills with coordinate plane and our surface area. So the first thing you want to do is take a look at your directions and notice that you have 6 different shapes you're going to graph and color code. So if we take a look at the yellow, it is the first, oops, let me get a color here. I'm going to make it yellow. The first X is a positive X, so we go over to the right, and -3, 1, 2, 3. That's that first one. Next one is 1, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next coordinate is -3, 5. So -1, 2, 3, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one is -3, -3. So -3, -3. We're going to connect those in yellow. And color it in. That's the best I'm coloring, guys. Okay. Oops. The next one is blue. So I'm going to switch to blue. And the first coordinate is 1, 5. So it's attached here. The next one is 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. The next coordinate is 3, -3. And the next one is 1, -3. Sorry, the dogs are barking. Connect. And color in. They're barking at air. There's literally nothing there. Okay, next one is purple. So I'm going to switch to purple. Girls. Sorry. 1, 5 again. 1, -3. -3. So -1, 2, 3. -3. And -3, -5. -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that makes a triangle. No, it doesn't. I missed one. Oops, I see what I did. 1, -5. I missed that one. I apologize. So that's going to be your purple. There you go. Okay. Next shape is orange. So I'm going to switch to orange. And we are at -3, +5. Gee, I wonder if you can guess what's coming. The next one is -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, +5. Then we are at -5 and -3. 1, 2, 3. And then the last one is -3, -3. So now we are connecting these. And we're going to shade that in. Next is red. Let's go for red. Okay, -5 and +5. -9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. +5. -9 again. -3. And where am I? -5, -3. Connect. Shade in. And our last shape is green. Okay, so we are at -3, +5, -3, +7, 1, so we're back on the positive side, +7, and 1, 5. And then we connect that. All right, so we've got our whole rectangular prism plotted on our coordinate plane. What it tells you to do for number 2 is to cut around the outside so that you can fold it into that rectangular prism and tape it together. So you're going to take this net after you've cut it out and fold it up into the 3-dimensional figure. Once you do that, you're going to calculate the volume of that and calculate the surface area. Now remember, volume would be volume equals length times width times the height. Okay, so once you put this all together, you're going to look at your width, your height, and your length. So, excuse me, we know that we have a length of 4. We know that our width is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our height will be 2, which equals 4 times 8 is 32, times 2 is 64. 64, and now this is not units squared, it's units cubed because it's volume. Okay, so that's your volume. Let's switch to pink because I haven't used pink yet. We're going to do the surface area now. So we have 1, 2 that are the same, 1, 2 that are the same, and then the 2 big ones that are the same. So we're going to do our area of the first one here. So we know that it is length times width, which is 4 times 2, which equals 8 units squared. Let's calculate this one. I also know I need that twice, by the way. So 8 plus 8, which is 16. I'm running out of space, so I don't want to, it's a little bit wonky there. So we have our length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times the width of 2, which equals 16. But remember, I've got 2 of those, so this one and this one. So 16 plus 16 is 32 units squared. And then I have my big one. So the area is 4 times 8. That's your 8, which is 32. But again, we have 2 of those. So that's 64 units squared. So this is 64. This is 64. I shouldn't have put an X there. This is 32. This is 32, 16, and 16. So you can add all of those up, or you can just take what we got. So our 16, our 32, and our 64, and add those up. 16, 32, 64. So 112 units squared. Okay. So the answer to part 4 there is 112 units squared.